The Nicecho Rotary Cutter Set is a comprehensive kit designed for sewing and quilting enthusiasts, featuring both 45mm and 28mm fabric cutters. With blades crafted from high-quality Japanese steel, these cutters can effortlessly slice through 6 to 10 layers of fabric, catering to both large and small-scale projects. The set includes a durable, self-healing cutting mat with a double-color design, providing optimal measurement visibility and fabric alignment. 2 vibrant quilting rulers made from thick acrylic material ensure precise cuts, enhancing the accuracy and efficiency of your crafting projects. The package also comes with 20 sewing clips and 8 replacement blades, ensuring that you have all the essential tools for your creative endeavors. This versatile rotary cutter kit is ideal for a wide range of applications, from quilting and sewing to crafting and knitting, making it a perfect gift for hobbyists and professionals alike.